Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine. I'm here with Kevin. When I'm out in the shop with Kevin, you know we're up to something good. Kevin's just installed the SSV Works sound system sold through Yamaha on an 850. As you can see, we got the door speakers in there, the head unit's in place, but there is something really important you guys need with the 850. It is the door audio install kit. There's the part number. We'll post it up in the link below. Kevin, what does this door audio install kit do?
So with these pre-Armax units, or the regular Wolverines, where the stereo head unit mounts here down at the bottom, the brain unit for the stereo actually mounts behind and below your dash.
So you guys can see that bracket right in there. It's tying on to the back side of the gauge cluster itself. And then the brain for the sound system, you can see the SSV logo there. It's gonna tie in right there. So that bracket is needed along with the sound system itself. How's the install?
Oh, piece of cake. Instructions say 3 hours. I've been maybe an hour.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's just a simple plug-and-play setup.
There you have it, guys. You can go and add the additional rear speakers as well as the subwoofer. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. And as always, you can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Let us know what you think. If you've got any questions, we're here to answer them for you. See you guys.